the Parliamentary Vice Minister of Foreign Affairs, Ms. Ikuina, paid courtesy call on Mr. President today. At the beginning, she expressed congratulations on the decision of ASEAN to admit Timor-Leste as a former member in October. During the meeting, both sides agreed to further strengthen the bilateral relationship based on the comprehensive partnership in a broad range of areas such as economy, security, and people-to-people exchanges. In concrete, Parliamentary Vice Minister mentioned to concrete cooperation as follows. As for development assistance, she renewed her commitment to continue and strengthen our cooperation in such sectors as infrastructure, including the International Airport Project, industrial support such as agriculture, social services such as medical and health sector. The importance of private investment of Japanese companies are also mentioned. People-to-people exchanges is also a priority. In this regard, exchange of note for the JDS program will be signed today between Minister Freitas and Parliamentary Vice Minister Ikuina later on. And based on this program, up to eight young officials of the Timorese government will get a scholarship for the study at the Japanese universities to get master or doctor degree. And lastly, reflecting the formal accession to ASEAN, both sides agreed to strengthen coordination for the regional and international affairs.